Okay, we're out here. We just swapped in a new rear end in the Wayland's truck. It's got 410 gears, true track diff, so it should wake up the truck a good bit. It had 323s in it before. Here's the old rear end here. It took us a couple hours to swap out. Wasn't nothing to it. We'll see how everything goes. So, okay.
30.
It's got more top end, it feels like.
60.
Okay. There's a 15.8.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. The last video we did was a header install, so we're going to see how much this helps it here. 410 gears is the only difference.
Ready?
Yep. Spin it a lot. Shifting pretty early. That's a 16.1.
That's what I ran last time, I think.
Or 16.0. 16.0. That was letting it shift on its own. Still got pretty early shift points. Alright. To number 2. Oh yeah, better.